Good, that's what I thought. That would be a good place for them. Good hit, Titus. Good hit, Titus.
Good job, Titus. You having fun? Can you say cheese? Cheese.
Good hit, Titus.
Uh-oh, what happened?
Oh, good hit.
I bite my tongue.
Oh, sorry, Eric.
That hurt. I'm sorry, that hurt.
Good hit, Titus. Whoa,
Uh-oh. Watch the ball.
Good hit,
Good
buddy.
job.
Whoa! Woo! That's a fast one. Woo!
Watch the ball.
All right.
Oops.
Woo! Good hit. Woo! That's a big
Whoa.
one.
Do you like to play baseball, Titus?
Ball.
Ball. You like baseball?
Mommy.
Big one.
I will. Next time we're outside, and because you hit it so hard, we will take a picture of you playing baseball.
Woo!
Good job.
Woo! That's a big one. All right, good hit,
Good
Titus.
job.
Woo, good one. Oops.
The windup was ready.
All
Uh-oh,
right.
watch the ball.
Good hit, Titus. Whoop. All right. There you go.
He switched his hand back.
All right.
Okay, bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye? He's like, where are you going? Bye-bye. Bye.